A major shift is coming to downtown Orlando. As part of the I-4 Ultimate project, the eastbound State Road 408 exit to Orange Avenue, exit 10C, will be closing for approximately 6 months. The closure is necessary to continue construction on the new Orange Avenue exit ramp. Drivers heading eastbound on the 408 can access Orange Avenue and downtown Orlando by using the exit to Mills Avenue, exit 11B. Upon exiting, turn left onto Mills and left onto South Street to continue. Tolls will be suspended at this exit for the duration of the Orange Avenue ramp closure. All traffic using this exit must make this U-turn under the 408. Drivers wanting to continue straight, turn right, or turn left after exiting will have to continue on South Street after making the U-turn, turn left onto Summerlin Avenue, and left onto Anderson Street to continue. Large trucks will not be able to make the turn on Mills Avenue under the 408. Instead, large trucks will need to exit the 408 early onto Orange Blossom Trail to access downtown. Depending on their final destination, motorists may find that exiting early onto OBT may be more efficient than continuing on to the Mills Avenue detour. There is no toll to exit onto OBT. All drivers need to be extra cautious in this area and follow posted signs and message boards.
It's really important with these new changes that drivers give themselves a few extra minutes to navigate these new changes. We're now changing the Mills Avenue exit so that is non-tolled. So users can now proceed to Mills Avenue with no toll and then proceed through a dedicated lane that will help move traffic in the area.
The ramp closures and detours are scheduled to be in place as early as the morning of April 27th and will be in place for approximately 6 months. Stay informed about the project by logging on to i4ultimate.com. The website has information about the entire 21-mile corridor and what changes are being made. On the website, you can sign up for route-specific email and text alerts and our monthly e-newsletter.